We are so glad you're exploring Boston Public Schools as an option for your child. There are so many school options for Boston families, it can be confusing. We're here to help. If you haven't decided what the best option for your family is, we encourage you to register your child with BPS to secure a spot in one of our schools. You'll have the flexibility to make a decision later. BPS has several periods of registration for each upcoming school year beginning in January. The best time to register is during the first registration period for your child's grade. This gives the best chance to get into one of your top choice schools. The first registration period for students entering pre-kindergarten, K0 and K1, and grades 6, 7, and 9 takes place in January. The first registration period for students entering all other grades, including kindergarten, begins in February. You can find the exact dates on our website, www.bostonpublicsschools.org/register. Students must meet the following age requirements by September 1st in order to register for each grade level. Every family in Boston has a unique list of schools to choose from based on where they live. This is called your choice list. Your choice list will include every school within 1 mile of your home, as well as nearby high-quality schools. Your choice list will also include schools offering special academic programs and early childhood options. These are called option schools. BPS high schools are citywide, so students are able to select any high school in the city, regardless of where they live in Boston. To learn which schools are on your choice list, visit www.discoverbps.org. Because each school is different, we encourage you to think about school hours, how your child will get to school, school size, student activities, and before and after school programming. Every school offers at least 3 open houses, known as school preview days, between the months of November and January for you to tour the school and meet our dedicated principals, teachers, and staff. Contact the schools for more information or visit bostonpublicschools.org/register for a list of available school preview dates. After reviewing your options on your choice list, you'll need to visit one of our 4 BPS Welcome Centers to register your child located in Roxbury, Dorchester, Roslindale, and East Boston. Schedule an appointment online to save time during your visit. Walk-ins are always welcome. You can also pre-register by filling out the registration form online in advance of your visit to a Welcome Center. You will need to visit a Welcome Center to complete your registration. When you visit a Welcome Center, make sure you bring your child's original birth certificate, passport, or Form I-94, your child's up-to-date immunization record, parent or guardian photo ID, 2 BPS-approved proofs of residency, and if your child has an Individualized Education Plan, IEP, please make sure to bring it. Proof of residency is particularly important because you'll need to bring 2 different types of proof of residency from this list. If your family is new to Boston Public Schools and another language is spoken in your home, your child may need to take a language test. During your visit at the Welcome Center, staff will inform you if a language test is needed for your student and will schedule an appointment for a later date. Students learning English, known as English language learners, have access to schools on their choice list as well as schools with program options specifically designed for their needs. If your child has a disability or has an Individualized Education Plan, also known as an IEP, you will be referred to the Special Education Department after registering in one of our Welcome Centers. The Special Education Department will review your documents and will work with you to determine the appropriate services for your child. Remember to bring your child's IEP to registration if they have one. Keep this schedule in mind for your registration process. First, explore your BPS options, then register for school, and then receive your school assignment. Remember, make sure you contact a Welcome Center if you need to update any of your contact information, phone number, home address, and email address, so we can contact you throughout the registration process with any questions or news of openings at schools. Thank you for considering Boston Public Schools. We look forward to seeing you at a Welcome Center soon.